So we actually took a matatu for the first time. I never ever took a matatu in Kenya.
Oh, you go with matatu.
Oh, really?
Okay. But you know the matatu in Kenya is executive.
Yeah. We actually have matatu in Zanzibar going back to the hotel. El Futano, El Futano. Zanzibar, we are pardon a Zanzibar. Yeah, family, so we're actually inside this matatu while we actually enjoy. Let's enjoy. We're going back to the hotel. There was no tuk-tuk on the road at that time. So we'd actually, took a matatu. I don't know why it's standing like that now.
They're waiting for customers. Notice to go empty.
Yeah. So I admire Tanzania. I admire Tanzania. We have to explore it. So just imagine when you explore it, then you'll actually stop.
I don't mention countries, but South Africa, I think, is the only country I admire.
Yeah.
But I can live comfortably.
Yeah, family. So look out for us. We might come to Tanzania to live for like a year or 6 months in the future. So I think maybe that's the goal. To see what is happening. It's like the matatu stop, family. It's not moving. It's actually, waiting for customers. So we just gonna wait and see. One and ready. In family, so we have to go. One and ready. Yes, right there. It's not far. That's where you see the light chicken and sweetie right there. Or we can take it right there. We're going to come out for it. Coming up there. Oh, this is the bus stop. Oh, yeah. Camisa. Was 1,000. Yeah, was 1,000. Yeah, but that's cheaper than it took to pay like how much? 5,000. Yeah, family, that was a nice and short motor to drive. We're heading up to the jelly man now. To pull up our jelly. How many thousand? The alpha is what? Alpha is 1,000. Oh, but you couldn't believe. You couldn't believe it was so cheap. I was holding 4,000. Yeah. It was just one. Just one. Yeah, family. Yeah. Our 1,000 transport like from where? For the entire month. Not for the Nakuru and back. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, so. Nakuru is 500 shillings. Yeah. And that's 3 hours drive from Nairobi to Nakuru. Yeah. So I mean, we asking for 1,000. There's not that money. It looks small. Small, yeah. So I thought that you don't even take 10,000. 10,000. Oh, but 10,000 will be too much. No, it's not too much. Because the tuk-tuk is how much? 4,000. Yeah, family, so we actually reach at the jelly man. Reach at the jelly man. Wow, them have it here, sweetie. Wow, look at this. What? Oh, really? This time a little too. 5,000 for the whole bag. You have to carry it back to Kenya. Carry it back to Kenya. Yeah, if I'm gonna get this bunch is so big. Big bunch. Pulling up some jar water here. While we're enjoying the cool beach of Zanzibar. I wish I could have get some of this callaloo right now. Fresh callaloo. That's the farm over there, family. That's the farm. Farm right here. Cut up the jelly. This is how they cut jelly in Zanzibar. So see how much you feel might full it. 6,000. The jelly them big, so you know what I mean. A lot wasting, man. A lot wasting. We should just buy this bunch alone, really. Eh? Yeah, we shouldn't buy from there. We should just buy this one alone. We should just have it. Hey, we can't carry it as we unlug it. Yeah? This will be our hand luggage in the bag, sweetie. How much that gone already? Sweetie? How much that gone? That would be 4. Yeah, fam, so we're gonna get this to bring back to Kenya. Because we'll have so much. Who knows? I guess it's full up now, sweetie. I think that one has a little meat. Hold it good, hold it good.
Yeah, this meat is coming out.
Cut it. Cut it, cut it. Exotic. This is the most expensive fruit in Jamaica. Yeah, how much is it now? One.
I think this is the 5th one.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so it really make it 5,000. I think we should have walked with the big bag. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, look at me, you can have it. Oh, eh?
I think one jet, these were 5, right? Oh, 5.
Yeah, 5, yeah, 10,000. Yeah. Whoa, meat. Only meat we eat is jelly meat. Give me a little meat. Slimy. Wow. Nice. Which bunch is bigger to you? This one. There's only tourists buy these fruits. What does it look like? Brooms. Yeah. Let's just wait. look at these bites. Go on now. Yeah, family, so we get this bunch. Wow. And plus we have this one. It was a bad bite. This was a bad bite. But you can't really predict where you're gonna see these fruits. So guys, we're walking back to the hotel.
What do you do with them at home?
Yeah?
I want mommy last. What are these?
What are these? Golden flies?
And they're brooms.
It's heavy?
Yeah.
Yeah, family, so if it's the first time you're watching this video, like, share and subscribe. If you're really enjoying this Tanzania series, let us know. It's just a short vacation. This is a university, the State University of Zanzibar, Institute of Tourism. And this is the tourism institute. Yeah, family, so yeah guys, if you enjoyed this Zanzibar series, let us know. Subscribe and share the video. Walking back to the hotel now. You know, this is just like to show you guys that you can spend like a few days, less than a week in our country, and you can create a lot of content if you know what you're doing and you understand the game. So we just want to actually share this with you so you can understand. If you want to be a travel vlogger, it's not hard, it's basically easy, as you can see. Yeah guys, so we're walking back to the hotel after we get some jelly coconut, we get some Chinese guinea, lychee guinea. It's the most expensive fruits in Jamaica. And we get it here for less than, so cheap, less than $1 for a big bunch. So let's go, one love, God bless. Like and share the video. We are out. Yeah, family, so we just back from the hotel, and we actually, you never know, they will let us through the part that says that says out. But just to show that Tanzanian people are so hospitable. Go past there. Yes, we want